All right, so you're ready to submit your assignment. This time I do not want you to import it from your Google Drive. I want you to hyperlink it. So we're going to submit the assignment. You're going to go into Create. You're going to type your name, so Trundy job plan. I'm going to go back to my document. I'm going to grab the share linked. I'm going to first make sure that it is shared with Miss Trundy. Do not notify me. If it gives you a message that says, if there's a box up here, unclick it. Make sure you're not notifying me. Copy the link. Now I can go back to my assignment, highlight it, and then we're going to link it. So when it says insert URL, I'm just going to paste it. You can click open in a new window for me. It does make life a little easier. And click submit changes. There it is, and I'm going to submit it. Now, it is important to go back in and make sure you did this correctly. So click on it. I can see that this is underlined, and I can see that when I click it, it takes me to it. Please make sure that you have double and triple checked that you have shared the document with me. And that's it. That's all you have to do to submit it.